Welcome to the tool wall, where time is the most valuable tool. Today I've got the Masterforce 5-inch rotating head bench vise with 360-degree swivel base. It says it has a lifetime warranty. Picked this up at Menards in the store for, I believe it was $85. Now, I had opened this previously to take a look at it, and it had no lubrication on it, so everything was a little bit tight, especially here in this area. So I did open up the whole thing, except for this nut on the end here. But I took out the two screws on the side and opened it up and took it apart and used a synthetic grease to lubricate this moving part, and then took apart the bottom, these two all the way out, and lubricated this part here. I did find some metal, I don't know if you call it slag, but some metal shavings that maybe come off of this and was stuck inside of there. So the quality control for assembly or final checks, they might want to check for that. But overall, everything else looked pretty good. This is a very heavy vise. It goes all the way around. And it has a lock here on the side. And also, as you clamp down, the clamping force of the vise helps to lock this into place, keep it from moving. I really like that it has the extra teeth for pipes and holding circular items. I did find it kind of odd that these don't go out far enough to clear this area, so I might do something to readjust this and bring this further out, maybe re-drill some holes or a new piece of iron or a steel or something to do that, or I might just leave it alone. Some nice jaws here, and it has a nice finish to it too. Looks like it's kind of coated, powder coated maybe, and then there's a gauge ruler here. Overall impressed. I looked at quite a few different vices before deciding to go with this one. This is just a great value. There were some complaints, not from this vise, but from other vices that were about 20 to 30, maybe $40 more. The Youst vise, Pony vise, several other brands of vices. But it seems like the quality is about the same across a lot of these. They may have a few issues with the steel, but this is good enough for what I'm going to use it in my shop, and I think this will do pretty nicely. So it's great value, $85, not bad for a multi-purpose rotational vise here. So thanks for watching.